failed to rip.
Okay, WWG53 test.
This afternoon.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Rain likely after midnight. Near steady temperature around 40. Chance of rain 70%.
Christmas Weekly.
And now, taking a look at the extended forecast for Saturday, rain likely. Mild.
Come on.
Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 70%. For Saturday night, rain, mild. Lows in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 90%. To NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast.